Stand upright, holding your dumbbells at your sides in a neutral grip. Exhale and flex the back and core, preparing your body for effort. Inhale as you raise your arms with a slight bend in your elbows till your arms are parallel to the ground. Flex your shoulder muscles back and up. Try to relax your neck. This is a shoulder exercise, not a neck exercise. Exhale as you lower your dumbbells back to your starting position with control. Repeat with good form through program reps. Dumbbell lateral raise is a great exercise to integrate your shoulders, your arms, and create some more elbow integrity. I've got some dumbbells, I'm gonna stand upright. Let's see how it goes. The dumbbell lateral raise helps your shoulders and your traps integrate together. Notice how Katie is keeping a firm and strong stance the entire time while she's using her arms rather than jumping the weights up. Also notice that she's stopping where her arms are parallel to the floor. She's not exceeding that because that's really hard on your shoulders. I also can see from where I'm standing that her shoulders and her traps are working really hard, but she's keeping her neck nice and loose. You want to do that to keep from hurting your spine. Nice job, Katie.